Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to put WP, this is to log in.
Yep.
So we put WP-admin on the end of your URL up here, you'll
Yep.
see it there.
Yep.
And then I click enter, and that'll bring us to a login page. There it is there.
All right.
Yep. So we put in and I'll make you a new user when we do. So we put in our passwords. Yep. Hit enter, and that should get us in the door. There we are. We're in. Yep.
Right.
So this is the dashboard, and down the side here, you'll see all the different things you can do. Mainly, what you want to do is just pages.
Yep.
That's mainly it.
Yep.
Unless you want to change images.
What if I want to put a post with posts like? Is that like a little
like a blog?
Yeah.
Yep. A blog is in posts.
Yeah.
It's exactly the same as a page.
Media. What's that?
Media is well, yours is considerably. It's been a while. I know you're in Slider Pro. So media is where all your images are stored.
Right.
That have ever been put in here. So here they all are
yep.
here. If you want to look at it, if you want to look at an image like that one there, you can open it up, and then here's your URL here. Find the URL. If you copy that, you can open up a new window
yep.
and just look at the image by itself. It'll just give you the image. There it is.
Yeah, right.
And then from there I can drag that out if I wanted to. I could drag that into Photoshop and do stuff with it.
Right. Yeah.
But I've got the image there. So let me get rid of that one and go back to here. So that's your media. So all your media files are in there. If you want to add a new media file, you click Add New, or Add New here, or Add New on the side. Click Add New, and then upload and choose from your computer, just like anything else. So there, and choose from your computer.
Yep.
Pages. All your pages are here. And here they're drafts that we've been doing stuff in, but here's the 4 pages that you have.
Right. Yep.
Yep. So if we wanted to blog, how much room we've got here? We're going to have to do something on it to make room for the blog, unless I put it down the bottom here. But I'll show you what you do. So if I want a new page, I just click Add New.
Yeah.
I'll put the page in about below About Us, so it's there, and then I'll call this blog. And
what does blog actually stand for?
I've got no idea what it stands for, but I guess it's its own meaning now.
Yeah.
It's people putting snippets of information on a website they've posted. Here's a different template. So the default template means it's just a page. So if you type in there, it's just a page. But if you go here and click blog, it'll become a blog. So you put nothing in the page.
Yeah.
You just save that, but we'll make the parent About Us. So that's to put it underneath in your navigation, underneath About Us. If we left it as there, it would muck up our navigation because we're at a certain distance.
So I'd have to go to here to look at it.
And so you'd go underneath that, yeah. So I'll save that under About Us for now. We can change this. I can redo this and change it, but for now, if you refresh your page and have a look there, now you'll see, and I'll do the same.
No, yeah. Well, yeah. So it just comes up with a little tag.
Yeah, it's under there, and if you go there, there'll be nothing on it.
Yeah.
There's no post.
Yeah.
Yep. So if I want to put a post on it, so there it is there, on your blog item. So if I want to put a post on it, I would go to my posts and add a new post.
Right.
And here I'll just do a test post. So test post, and again I can insert media on it.
Like a photo.
Yeah, anything like that, or I can just put some text in here like that, and then publish it. So if I publish that, like that, and then go back to Hazard Solutions, go back to my blog, you'll see that I will have that test post. And there it is, test post. There you click on test post, and that'll open it up to what I did. And that's why I put in that gibberish.
Yeah.
So that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So and there it is there. So you can open it right up straight into the post. If it was a lengthy post, but we don't want that, so I'll delete that. So if I want to delete something, I
All
go back to
posts.
all posts, and I can just highlight that and trash it,
Oh, yeah.
and then that's it.
Beautiful.
And empty my trash whenever I want. So just click into trash and empty it.
Hmm.
So if you don't empty your trash and you delete things, you can always get them back.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, but if you know you want to get rid of it, just empty the
Yeah,
trash and it's
yeah.
gone. So that's the same with pages and everything. So if we go to pages, we can go in and edit our pages, or we can create new pages. So you saw how I created the blog, and it's under About Us. So that,
Yeah.
you see a little dash is About Us.
Yeah.
So it means it's under that. But if we want to go to products,
Yeah. So I'm saying I've got a new product on the thing.
yeah, and we've just got an image gallery in there at the moment.
Yeah.
So that's all you've got in there at the moment. It's
Yeah.
just an image gallery.
Yeah.
But if we want to put text in there, if I want to just click that here and put here, if I put here, click on an image to see details. Yeah.
Yeah.
A lot. If I click update, and if we refresh the page here, if I go to products, you'll see that I now have that there. Click on image to see details.
Oh, yeah.
I just typed in there, so it's live. It's what you get, and you do the detail. They're all named, so people can see what they are.
Yeah.
Yep. So that makes sense. You could put more details in that if you wanted.
And where do you put the details if you want to?
On each of these images.
Yeah.
So we would go into the gallery,
Oh, yeah.
and it would be
Editing each photo.
gallery here like that, and we would go into add images, manage gallery, I would think. So
Pretty basic. It's good, isn't
it's
it?
really basic.
Yeah.
It's really simple to use. So
Once you build it.
here's yeah, that's right. So here we go here. And see the details?
Oh, yeah, good, yeah.
So you can put
Because some of them aren't quite right, so I could go in and...
you can just change them.
Yeah.
But it says, well, there's one that doesn't have anything on it. There's a couple. Glenn's phone. Oh, so yeah.
Yeah, so handrail.
And here you can name that as well. So you can change the name of it as well, which you should probably do because that's your
Whole reference.
yeah. It's just where the phone is taken. But if you change it, you can put it on there. You can put the details in there, and it gives you quite a good.
Alright, so we go. Well, anyway, from the video.
So that was that one's galleries, manage galleries. When we went to manage galleries, I'll go back. We had to click into the gallery, so we had to click image gallery. That's the only gallery there, and then you'll see all the details here.
Yeah, it's awesome. Yeah, because you've done a lot of floodgates, aluminium walkways.
Pull them all in here. You can actually create galleries for each one.
Yeah, right.
Separate galleries for each product type if you wanted to.
Yeah. Oh, look, it's done that. Like, it's good when they can go in the gallery and they say, look at all this stuff we've done. Instead of, they might just see one gallery instead of going through that.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's that. So that's about all you really need to know. Anything now? I'll create you a new user.
Yep.
So we'll go to all users and see if you're actually in here. You're not, so I'll delete these ones. Attribute all post to there. This site's been around a long time. I've had it for some time. Come on, delete. Something very slow is what it's thinking.
What's the machines that are MacBook Air?
Yep, and then we'll delete that one as well. Attribute it to there. And then create your new user. So add. You're a grey M, aren't you?
Ham.
You're a grey ham. You're grey ham. Your email address.
Hazard Solutions. I probably should put the one on here, shouldn't I?
Well, it's just the one that you use.
Yeah, I'm going to change over this one because it's pretty silly having this and not using the email. You know what I mean?
I don't know if there is one on there.
There is.
There is.
I just haven't got.
It's not
It's
listed.
set up on that machine.
All right. Okay. Let's have a look in. Let me go to contact forms.
HazardSolutions.com.au.
Yeah. Okay. So here we go.
Wonderful.
It's not going anywhere actually. So it's Hazard Solutions. Do you know what it is?
Ah, that's why that other guy. Fire it up on here. Excuse me.
Okay.
The guy said, "Oh, I sent you an email, da. It's a real freaking smart ass."
Yeah.
And I checked this and I thought, well, there's nothing in it. But I've sent emails from here and got to here, like from one computer to the other.
Okay, so add new, set up a new user for you, which is going to be Graham. Email is Graham. First name is Graham. And you are Smith, aren't you? Smith. Don't need that. Okay. That's about all I really need. That's about all I really need to show you now is there's nothing else. The slider. I'll see if this is where your sliders are in Slider Pro. Yeah, it is. So if you want to edit your slider,
What's the slider?
that's the image. Yeah, it's the image at the start.
Yeah.
You'll see here that.
And they're the sliders where they're going from there to there. Is that those ones?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So here we've got images in here, and so there's your image here. So if you want to change that image, you can add refresh image or change an image here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and so you've got to make it up and put it on there. And that's the same with all of these. You'll see the images on each of them.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. There's more simple sliders that we could put on there now, I think, that work, but that one is where it's been designed at the time.
Yeah.
So that's how to do that. It's in Slider Pro, sliders, and then if you want to add a new slider, you put it in there like that, and then image, add image. And do that, and that's that. I will stop the video.